Hey guys, we are now taking down a braidless sew-in that has been up for 8 weeks now. As you can see, the hair is still intact. Everything is still nice and tight. As you can see underneath, we have the beads that we will have to remove from the tracks. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get ready to start removing the beads. What we're doing now is separating the hair from the track so that we have a full view of everything. Now we're going to remove the beads, and as you can see, as we're removing the beads, no hair is coming out. Yes, we have a little buildup, but that's expected because this is her next appointment to get them taken down and get her hair shampooed again. But as you see, nothing is coming out with the beads. Everything is still intact. Everything is still healthy. And she can continue to wear this style off and on. She can pull it up, pull it down. You have so much versatility. Now we have all the beads out. And now what we're going to do is start removing the thread from the track. As we remove the thread from the track, you will notice that we don't have any hair falling out or anything like that. Of course, we're going to shampoo her after we remove the tracks, but as you can see, they're just easy to come out. We're just cutting the thread and the tracks are just coming out, and we will not have any hair falling out or anything like that. Her hair has grown so much during this process of this 8 weeks that she has a lot of new growth. So what we're going to do is just continue to remove the thread and comb her hair out after we get done, and that's it, guys. So book your next braidless sew-in. Hope to see you soon.